Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here's your bullish update for Bitcoin. We have a nice bullish breakout for Bitcoin. What does it mean? What's important now? We will check this together in this update. So guys, let's go.
System activated.
So here we are. First of all, we will check this live stream, my live stream, Bitcoin Trading Informant, live on YouTube, live on Twitch, and we can see here on the down right side on the daily time frame. Yes, we have it here. A nice buy signal is here for Bitcoin, and we broke out from this downtrend. You can see it also here on the 4-hour time frame. A nice move to the upside. We broke out to the upside, and here on the 1-hour time frame also. You can see on the down right side, the MACD, you can see the first green candle. But now let's check the technical overview from TradingView. What is telling us TradingView? TradingView is telling us a really nice picture. We should be neutral summary. We should buy on the oscillators and we should sell. This is telling us the moving, or these are telling us the moving averages. The weekly time frame is looking not good. Sell. But every time frame up to 1 day is looking nice. Buy Bitcoin. Short time frames, buy Bitcoin. Bigger time frames, sell Bitcoin. CoinCodex, the price prediction. What is telling us this one? We have now a nice price prediction to the upside up to 22,200, 22,300 maybe. This is really nice for the next 7 days maybe. We can see we have extreme fear here on the fear and greed index. Yes, still extreme fear. And we can see here bullish 41%, bearish 59%. This is telling us this sentiment. The big thing, what's really important now is this picture. This is the Bitcoin's 50-day, 200-day simple moving average. And this is really important because you can see the green line is our big resistance and we are still under the green line, the 50 MA. Yes, CoinCodex is showing us we will break out over the green one, but for the moment it is a big resistance and we are still under this green resistance line. We need a nice breakout. Let's hope CoinCodex is right for a breakout. So the next big thing is, guys, let's check this one here. And let's check the daily. The daily is really important for the next 30 days. The daily forecast is telling us we are watching, or we are having maybe a nice next week up to 22,300. But guys, middle of September, September the 17th, we will see a breakdown and we will see bad red stuff here, bad dumps here to the downside. You can see 12% minus, 6% minus, 10%, 12%, 13%, 15%, 17% up to or down to 16,900. That's not good. CoinCodex is predicting this, but that's not really good. It's really good if you're buying deeper, if you're buying lower Bitcoin. So this is Bitcoin the analysis. This is a 4-hour time frame, and what happened, guys? We broke this parallel channel to the downside, this red one. We broke it here with a confirmed closing candle over this downtrend. And yes, that's nice. We made a higher high. It's long time we made higher highs. You can see it here was a high, a lower high, a lower high, a lower high. Now we have it here, a higher high. Long time ago that we saw this one, now we have a higher high. But the biggest thing is, guys, we are making lower lows. The big question is, can we make higher lows? That's the next big thing. What are we watching now? So if we are going down again, we must make higher lows for a new uptrend. The next stuff, what we are watching here, guys, is the MACD. 4-hour time frame, a nice bullish breakout to the upside. Look at this. But it's more important to watch the daily, because on the daily we have it here. The first green candle is here. We saw across the blue line, cross the brown line, and the first green candle is here now. Really nice. You can see it here. Always if we saw a dump to the downside, we saw this red stuff to the downside. After this, a nice breakout. The dump to the downside. After this, maybe the next nice breakout. Yes, I hope. The next big thing is we have a higher high. It was 25,000. The last high, not a higher high, was 25,000. And we need, if we will see a next big pump to the upside, a higher high as 25,000. So let's remove everything. Let's remove this stuff and let me show you some interesting stuff, because I can see two patterns. The positive pattern, what I am hoping for, what I'm waiting for, is a nice down going, up going, down going, and up going W pattern, a double bottom maybe. The start point is the end point. The start point was 31,600. The end point should be the same. This would be a really nice W pattern to trade on the daily time frame with a nice breakout now to 31,000. I know it, guys. On the world, everything is bad. Nothing is speaking for this one. But why not? It's a W pattern. The next thing what I'm seeing, and that's really, really dangerous, that's really bad, but I have to show it to you also, is a shoulder head shoulder pattern. It's not necessary to show you this on the line chart. We can check this one on the pattern chart, the candlestick chart, and you can see the left shoulder, the head, and now maybe we are building the right shoulder. You know the target, guys. You know the thing. Here's the trend line. We can make it like this one. The trend line is now our big friend, our big support. It is now green. And this is now the big question. Can we stay over this support here on the daily time frame, or will we go down again? And we have a target. We have a really bad target if this shoulder head shoulder pattern will break down to the downside, because the target is here. And if we are zooming out a little bit more, you can see it here and loud. Here it is, 13,600. A lot of guys are talking about this target. A lot of influencers talking about 12,000, 10,000. Yes, of course, I see this also really possible because the world is burning. And the inflation and I don't need to talk about this now. On the 1 hour time frame, let's check this one really quick on the 1 hour time frame. What's going on? What's happening for the moment? On the 1 hour time frame, we can see, or we saw, a parallel channel to the downside. Also, this one, we broke out to the upside, confirmed. Okay, really, really nice. That's the easy stuff. Now, let's go into a detail. Let's check a little bit more on the 1 hour time frame, guys. We need to check, let me show you. We need to check this one. That's the Fibonacci, and we can see, guys, really interesting. We broke the first Fibonacci line. We broke it here on this point. We broke out over 0.236. 20,000 was not a big thing. Bitcoin broke through. The next target is 0.382 Fibonacci at 21,000. That's the next big thing. We can see there was a lot of action here, and we can see this better with our really interesting tool. This name of the tool is, let me show you. Here it is, Fixed Range Volume Profile. Start point, end point, and what can we see? Nothing, because Biti is too boring. Start point, end point. Now we can see it. We can see the bigger breakouts of this lines here. You can see it here. This is the most action. We saw the most action on the bigger lines here. On this red line was the most action, and yes, of course, we broke through. So really important. This is a big support now. We should hold this support. It is green, fat green. So where was the support? We can make a price label here, and it is the biggest breakout, 19,800. A really big support now. We should hold this. Maybe we can retest it. Yes, we can retest it, but we should hold it. And now we are on a nobody land between two big spikes to the upside. You can see it here. We are here between this one. Here is no big spike, and we are fighting here for the moment. The big thing is the next one to the upside is the 0.382 Fibonacci, 21,000. Yes, of course, that's the next big resistance. And if we are zooming in, you can see it here really nice. We have a nice parallel channel to the upside now. For the moment, it's looking like this one. And for the moment, it's a really healthy, nice breakout of this parallel channel to the downside. So, indicators. Let me check one thing. The golden and desk cross on the 1 hour time frame. Why it is so important, I will show you guys. I will remove now this stuff here so you can see it clear. We are still in a desk cross. That's the big problem. The desk cross started here on this point. It was a really nice sign for selling Bitcoin, because after this we went down really hard. We saw a retest of the green and the red line here, a fake out. I told it is a fake out. And the 20 SMA and the 15 SMA They were a really big resistance. We broke down again, and now you can see it. We are over the green one. We are over the red one. We broke out over the 50 and 20 SMA, and now we are confirmed over this one. Not a fake out. We are over this one. So maybe the golden cross is following, and on the 4-hour time frame, we can see it here, guys. The golden cross and the death cross. The death cross was here on this point. After this, we broke down really hard, and now we are over the green line again. We need the target. We need the red line. Yes, of course, it is 21,600. This is one of the next biggest things. What we need to see a golden cross. We need a cross for the green and the red line. It's a long way for this. We must see it like this one here. Golden cross. After this, we went up to the upside. We need now the next one. Maybe we're going sideways a long way. If we can see a golden cross, I don't know. But this would be a really bullish sign for a next breakout to the upside. Okay, guys, that's it for the 4-hour time frame. That's it for today. I think it is really nice to see a bullish breakout. I think it is really nice to see a nice breakout in the 4-hour time frame. Also, we made a new higher high, and you can see all this stuff 24 hours, 7 days a week on my live stream. Bitcoin Trading Info Man, live on YouTube, live on Twitch. Please visit me there. If you have any questions, you can speak in English, you can speak in German. It doesn't matter. My English is not so good. My natural language is German, but I will try to answer all your questions here on my live stream. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Special greetings to Angry Higgins and Crypto Sharknado. Have a nice time. Greetings. Yours, Biti, your Bitcoin Trading Info Man. Bye, guys. Not a financial advice. Really important.